Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making tater tot casserole. What you're gonna need for that is some ground beef. This is 80/20, some dried minced onion, some buttery steakhouse seasoning. I got this at my local Walmart. A can of cream of chicken, some minced garlic, and a half cup of sour cream, and some shredded cheese of your choice. I'll have all the ingredients on screen. So to start, I'm going to chop up my meat and get it browned. Right now I'm just adding some of that dried minced onion. Now I'm going in with some minced garlic. I didn't really measure it, I just kind of eyeballed it. And some garlic powder. So I'm going to let this get nice and browned and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so I drained all the fat. Now I'm going in with the buttery steakhouse seasoning. The seasoning is really delicious. I highly recommend keeping it in your pantry. Now I'm adding my cream of chicken soup. Gonna add my half cup of sour cream. Gonna give that a good mix. And another addition you could add is kitchen bouquet browning and seasoning sauce. It'll just darken it a little bit, make it more look like brown gravy, not so white. I just forgot to add it this time. And then I also added just some frozen peas to add like a little veggie. I have a greased baking dish that I'm pouring the mixture in, and my oven set to 350 degrees. I'm going to lay over some shredded cheese and some tater tots. So I'm going to set my timer to 45 minutes or until it's nice and bubbly and golden on top. This meal was absolutely delicious. I highly recommend this recipe. So please let me know if you try it. I would really like to know if anyone has ever tried the recipes I post and if they did enjoy it. So with that, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell, and I will see you in my next video.